Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so it's about 7:40 Eastern as I'm doing this. All kinds of looks at the 200. Last night, a couple days ago, it's a nice little rejection candle from the bears there. What has to happen now, though, and it's not happening, and you got the Fed today at 2 o'clock, so you certainly have a catalyst that's going to work one way or the other, is if you're the bears, you got to take this low out. If you can do that, I mean, you'll scare the pants off of everybody. It'll stretch things to the downside. You're still well below the 50, the 9-day, the 20-day. So the bears are put in the work from 45, 49 on down. They did a nice job yesterday of pushing things back to the downside and fighting off the pre-market move up to 95. It never remotely got back there. Hourly chart, you can see they walked it up into the open, and they really, 4 a.m. they did the 95, and right off the open here they did a lower high at 85, and they never really went back there. It was just kind of a bleed down. They did the 100-day. There was some news out of China last night that popped it, and then it came back in a little bit and ground to the upside. So we're flat right now. It's another good day in the room. We caught that short into the close, which is really nice. And then we ended up taking less on the runner than we really wanted to because, this little China hop got us stopped out for about 20 handles. As we head into today, the moves have really been truncated. Let me find the chart I want. So here's your 5-minute chart. They take it down into the close, hop it a little bit. They do a lower low. This was nice. Little higher low, they bump right into that China news, and up we go. Hourly mid had held it there, back into our proprietary moving average, back into VWAP, and then it just, didn't. They walked it up, and now it's just kind of, grinding and doing a little bit of a wedge thing, and we're flat. I'm content to be flat until they open this up. We're in a very good spot for the week. We've been in a very good spot for the month. And I don't want to be over trading here, especially on a Fed day. So it'll be the tale of 2 days. You'll have the day before the Fed, the day after the Fed, before the Fed and after the Fed, and certainly there'll be volatility at 2 o'clock, especially in a tape that already wants to be volatile. So yesterday was just kind of a series of lower highs and higher lows, and a triangle action that eventually broke down, and now we're just kind of grinding again. So you've got hourly mid-band and VWAP locked up here right around 52. You see your daily pivot, 53.75. Proprietary moving average is up at 65.5. And, we'll take it from here, open it up, and see what they can do. But the overall key, is the bears ideally want to survive any positivity out of the Fed and try to close this thing at a minimum below the yellow line, below the 100, and ideally make a lower low today. What do the bulls want to do? If there's positivity out of the Fed, they need to ride it up, and they need to ride it up to the point where they can take out that 95 from yesterday. If they can do that, then they can gather strength and try to deal with the 50 and the 9-day as you head into the rest of the week. Ultimately, though, you can't say that the bulls have any real upside momentum as long as we are lingering below daily mid-band and lingering below weekly pivot with no real desire or attempt to even try to get up into those areas this week. The bears are in control. We are in a sell rallies tape. That's what yesterday was about. All those rallies are sold. We have another rally here in Globex. They're going to walk it up into 930, and we'll see what happens. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I will be out with some more content today, midday, and I'm going to try to do one tonight. Things are crazy, and it's not market related, just like I got kids playing multiple sports, all the same shit you all have. So take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you midday.